Hey guys, it's Georgia here. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am going to be doing a tutorial on how I created this simple makeup look. So this is my everyday makeup. Well, actually, hindi naman ako nagme-makeup everyday. So ginagawa ko lang tong look na to kapag may pupuntahan ako or pag sinisipag ako mag-makeup. Kasi minsan lang pag lumalabas ako, lip tint lang yung suot ko. So if you wanna learn how I created this makeup look, super fresh and everyday, please keep on watching. Let's go. Okay, so I just put my headband to get my hair out of my face, but I'm gonna show you how I do my eyebrows. So my eyebrows are not perfect, hindi siya pantay. Ito mababa itong taas and ito medyo mataas. Basta hindi talaga siya pantay. And ayun, so I'm just gonna show you how I do them kahit hindi pantay. But yeah, I'm gonna pull you guys in closer so you can see. So these are my eyebrows. So I told you hindi siya pantay, but dati nagpapatread ako, pero ngayon bunot-bunot na lang ulit. So ayan, tinanggal ko na yung mga extra, pero meron pa rin tira. So for this part, di ko alam kung tatanggalin ko siya, pero hayaan ko na lang muna siyang tumubo ulit para hindi lalong lumimpes. Okay, so now I am using this Wet n Wild brow pencil in the shade ash brown. So nagpakulay ako ng kilay nung nagpakulay ako ng hair so that it matches my hair. Pero feeling ko nagfi-fade yung color, so medyo dark na ulit siya. Meron din ako dito shade na dark brown. Yan, dark brown. So yung dark brown yung gagamitin ko dito, pampantay. I'm first gonna line the top of my brows. So, pina-follow ko lang yung natural shape niya. Did I give up? Was it too hard? Or was it too hard cause I just gave up? Okay, so once na-outline na natin yung taas, I'm gonna be using the thin side of the pencil and then outline ko naman ito. And I'm just gonna connect it there. Ayan. So, doon naman sa rest, yung makapal na. We fall back sometimes, we fall back sometimes. So, ayan. And I'm just gonna fill it in. In this roller coaster ride. So, as you can see, hindi ko linagyan tong product na unahan para hindi siya magmukhang super boxy. Okay, so now I'm gonna do the other side. In this roller coaster ride, we go up and down, we go up and down, on this roller coaster ride. We fall back some messenger audio. Okay, I'm back. So, ayan na nga. Like I said, I'm gonna take the darker color, tapos i-fill in ko lang yung mga hindi na fill in no light. So it's not necessary to do that. But, okay, so for the bottom concealer, I am gonna be using a lighter shade. Tapos kapag dun sa taas, mas darker shade. So for the bottom, I'm gonna be using this Tarte Shape Tape. Yeah. So I'm gonna be using the shade in light neutral. Tapos I'm just gonna take it. Tapos konti lang. I'm gonna be taking an angled brush like this. In this roller coaster ride. So, para at least matry man lang mapantay ng konti, I'm gonna connect these two. In this roller coaster ride, we go up and down, we go up and down, on this roller coaster ride. We fall back sometimes, we fall back sometimes, on this roller coaster ride. Okay, Okay, so now I'm gonna be using these cotton squares. Sa Miniso ko lang to nabili. And cotton buds. Tapos, tatanggalin ko lang yung excess na concealer. So that's what that looks like. Now I'm gonna be taking a darker shade of concealer. Now I'm taking this concealer from Maybelline. It's in the shade 25 medium.
I don't even know what I'm thinking. Didn't see it coming, but I don't mind. I don't mind. I don't even know how to do this. I don't need a map like to show me how. Show me how. We go up and down. We go up and down on this roller coaster.
Okay, so that's what that looks like. As you can see, hindi talaga siya pantay, but there's nothing I can do about that. So, now that I'm done with my eyebrows, I'm gonna take the Natural Eyes palette from Too Faced, like yung ginagamit. And I'm gonna be taking the shade Heaven. So, ito yung pinaka-white. As you can see, I hit pan. So, ito ulit, white brush. And ilalagay ko lang siya sa aking brow bone. Just like that. Tapos, i-blend ko lang ng konti. So, now, I am taking this Morphe 330 brush. So, it's a fluffy brush. And then, gagamitin ko yung shade na Nudie dun sa palette. Ito lang. And, ilalagay ko lang siya sa crease. Parang overall color lang sa crease.
We fall back sometimes. We fall back sometimes. Oh no, this roller coaster ride. In this roller coaster ride.
So now I am using the Tarte na eyelash curler. So I am just gonna go ahead and curl my lashes. Okay, so ayan, zinumin ko ulit kayo, but I am gonna be doing my lashes.
Roller coaster ride. We fall back sometimes. We fall back sometimes. Oh no, this roller coaster ride.
I'm gonna take this Lash Paradise from L'Oreal. Ito yung pinaka-favorite ko mascara.
Did I give up? Was it too hard? Or was it too hard? Cause I just gave up. Just gave up. Did I sleep away the day cause I was tired? Or did I get tired cause I slept too much?
Okay, so that's what that looks like. Ito yung may mascara and ito yung wala. So, medyo clumpy siya, but I like it like that. So, I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side and I'll be right back. Okay, so that's what that looks like. Pag may mascara na. Now, I'm gonna do the rest of my face. Okay, so now that I'm done with the eyes, kilay, at saka mascara, I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the face. Gagamitin ko tong Nature Republic Aloe Vera. Ayan, moisturizer siya. And I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it all over my face. Okay, for the next step, gagawin naman natin ay yung cheeks. So, I am gonna be using this Nars liquid blush in the shade Torrid. So, it looks like that. So, this is a dirty black sponge. So, nabili lang namin to sa Glad King and super lambot niya, as you can see. So, yeah. Para siyang dupe ng beauty blender. But, I'm just gonna go ahead and put some right here. Tapos, ikakalat ko lang siya. So, parang hindi siya isang buong pump. So, as you can see, it's liquidy. Tapos,
show me how. We go up and down. We go up and down on this roller coaster ride. Roller coaster ride. We fall back sometimes. We fall back sometimes on this roller coaster ride. In this roller coaster ride. Roller coaster ride. Roller coaster ride.
so, that is what the blush looks like. As you can see, super natural. Hindi siya masyadong halata. Or natural nga ba tingnan? Hindi ko alam. So, now we're gonna go ahead and move on to powder. So, dati, pressed powder ginagamit ko. Pero ngayon, I am using this Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder from Maybelline. So, this is in the shade Fairlight. And then, gagamitin ko naman tong Morphe. Oh, I don't know what the number is. Morphe G, ano ba to? 36 daw, sabi ni Claude. Tapos, for the last step, I am gonna be using this lip tint from the Face Shop, and this is in the shade Red Up, and the number 04. So I hope you guys enjoyed this simple makeup tutorial, and if you did, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So yeah, till next time, bye!
Let's go!